Welcome to yet another amazing video brought to you by the Maximus Traveler channel. Make sure to thank me by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing with your friends. Don't enjoy alone. As you enjoy this video, remember that home is not where we live. Home is where we belong. Welcome to the African series. The sun rises over the acacia-dotted savannas of East Africa, painting the sky with hues of gold and crimson. This land of ancient lakes and towering volcanoes is teeming with life, from the iconic elephants and lions to the vibrant cultures that have thrived here for millennia. Join us as we explore the top 10 breathtaking tourist destinations in East Africa, each a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Our journey begins amidst the misty slopes of Uganda's Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, a realm of emerald green rainforests and cascading waterfalls. Here, in this dense and verdant world, lives an animal of immense power and gentle grace, the mountain gorilla. These critically endangered creatures, with their expressive eyes and surprisingly human-like social structures, are a true conservation success story. Bwindi is a sanctuary for these magnificent apes, its forests providing a vital refuge for nearly half of the world's remaining mountain gorilla population. As we observe these families foraging for food and caring for their young, let us remember the importance of preserving such wild places for the benefit of both wildlife and future generations. Remember to tread lightly, leaving no trace of your presence as you explore this biodiversity hotspot. The dry seasons, from June to August and December to February, offer the best chances for a glimpse of these gentle giants. So you are welcome for this life-changing trek to see these amazing gentle giants in their natural environment. We journey now to the rolling grasslands of Kenya, to the Maasai Mara, a land eternally etched in the cycle of migration. Witness the spectacle of the great wildebeest migration, where millions of these animals, along with zebra and gazelle, thunder across the plains in search of fresh grazing. This annual pilgrimage is a testament to the raw power of nature, a symphony of hooves and dust that has unfolded for millennia. The Maasai Mara is also home to the Maasai people, nomadic pastoralists whose lives are intricately intertwined with the rhythms of the savanna. Their distinctive red clothing and intricate beadwork are a familiar sight, and their deep connection to the wildlife and their environment is truly remarkable. Their vibrant culture and deep connection to the land add a rich spice to this already breathtaking landscape. As you observe this delicate balance between humanity and nature, remember to respect the wildlife and their space, keeping a safe distance to avoid causing any disturbance. The peak season to witness the magic of the migration is from July to October, when the plains come alive with a diversity of movement and sound. And now we journey to the heart of Tanzania, to the Serengeti National Park, a vast, seemingly endless expanse of African plains. This legendary landscape is home to one of nature's greatest spectacles, the annual migration of over 1 million wildebeest, accompanied by hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles, all following the ancient rhythms of the seasons in search of fresh grazing lands. The Serengeti is a land of drama, a place where predator and prey engage in an age-old dance of survival. Lions, with their regal presence, stalk the grasslands. Cheetahs, lightning-fast hunters, rely on bursts of speed to secure their meals. Leopards, masters of camouflage, lie in wait amidst the acacia trees. These are just a few of the remarkable creatures that call the Serengeti home. As we witness this extraordinary ecosystem, it's crucial to remember that we are merely visitors in this fragile world. Following park rules and guidelines ensures the preservation of this natural wonder for generations to come. The best time to witness the spectacle of the Serengeti is during the dry season, from June to October, when the herds are at their peak. Like they say in Swahili, "Mnakaribishwa sana," you are most welcome. Our journey takes us north now, to the highlands of Ethiopia, where we encounter a marvel of human ingenuity and faith, the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. Carved from solid volcanic rock in the 12th and 13th centuries, these 11 monolithic churches stand as a testament to the dedication and artistry of their creators. Imagine, if you will, the dedication required to chisel these intricate structures from the earth, creating subterranean passageways, doorways, windows, and even roofs, all from a single piece of stone. The largest of these churches, Bete Medane Alam, is said to be the largest monolithic church in the world, a breathtaking space that inspires awe in all who enter. Lalibela is a place of deep religious significance for Ethiopian Orthodox Christians, and pilgrims from across the country journey here to pay their respects. As visitors, it is our responsibility to approach this sacred site with reverence and respect, adhering to the customs and traditions of the local people. The dry season, particularly around religious festivals, offers the most favorable conditions for experiencing the spiritual aura of Lalibela. Prepare to be captivated as we venture into the Sudd, one of the largest freshwater wetlands in the world. This extraordinary ecosystem in South Sudan is a labyrinth of channels, lagoons, and papyrus swamps, a seemingly endless expanse of water and vegetation. The Sudd plays a vital role as a breeding ground and migratory stop for countless bird species, many of whom journey thousands of miles to reach this watery haven. African jacanas, with their elongated toes, gracefully walk on floating vegetation. Shoebills, prehistoric-looking birds with powerful beaks, stalk their prey in the shallows, and flocks of brightly colored bee-eaters fill the air with their calls. Navigating the Sudd can be challenging, and it's essential to travel with experienced guides who can navigate the intricate waterways and ensure a safe and rewarding experience. The best time to explore this remarkable wetland is during the dry season, when water levels are lower and wildlife viewing opportunities are at their peak. Our journey through East Africa's wonders takes us now to Lake Tanganyika, a place of immense beauty and extraordinary biodiversity. This magnificent lake is an African Great Lake. It is the second oldest freshwater lake in the world, the second largest by volume, and the second deepest, in all cases after Lake Baikal in Siberia. It is the world's longest freshwater lake. It stretches across 4 countries, its waters a shimmering tapestry of blues and greens. Beneath the surface lies a hidden kingdom teeming with life. Lake Tanganyika is home to over 300 fish species, many found nowhere else on Earth. From the vibrant cichlids to the enormous Nile perch, these creatures have adapted to the lake's depths over millennia. As we explore its shores, remember to tread lightly. This precious ecosystem is vulnerable, and it's our responsibility to protect it. Avoid swimming in unprotected areas, and let us ensure that future generations can marvel at the wonders of Lake Tanganyika. The dry seasons offer the best conditions for exploration, with clear skies and pleasant temperatures. We venture now into the heart of Rwanda, to Volcanoes National Park, a landscape dominated by the majestic Virunga Mountains. These ancient volcanoes, shrouded in mist and mystery, are home to a creature of immense power and intelligence, the mountain gorilla. Here in this challenging terrain, Dian Fossey dedicated her life to studying and protecting these gentle giants. Dian Fossey was an American primatologist and conservationist known for undertaking an extensive study of mountain gorilla groups from 1966 until her murder in 1985. She studied them daily in the mountain forests of Rwanda, initially encouraged to work there by paleoanthropologist Louis Leakey. Her legacy lives on in the ongoing conservation efforts that safeguard the gorilla's future. To witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is a truly humbling experience. Remember to keep noise levels low and maintain a respectful distance, for we are merely visitors in their domain. From June to September, the dry season offers the best chance to observe the gorillas as they forage for food and interact with their young. Our journey takes us now to the shores of Zanzibar, an island steeped in history and renowned for its exotic spices. This archipelago off the coast of Tanzania has been a crossroads of cultures for centuries, its history etched in the bustling alleyways of Stone Town. During the Age of Exploration, the Portuguese Empire was the first European power to gain control of Zanzibar, and kept it for nearly 200 years. In 1698, Zanzibar fell under the control of the Sultanate of Oman, which developed an economy of trade and cash crops, with a ruling Arab elite and a Bantu general population. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a sensory feast, a labyrinthine maze of markets, mosques, and intricately carved wooden doors. The air is thick with the scent of cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, a reminder of Zanzibar's pivotal role in the spice trade. As we wander through bustling markets and visit traditional spice farms, remember to dress modestly and embrace the warmth of the Swahili culture. The best time to explore Zanzibar is during the dry seasons, from June to October and December to February, when the sun bathes the island in its golden glow. From the dramatic peaks of the Simien Mountains to the sun-kissed beaches of Zanzibar, our journey through East Africa has revealed a diversity of beauty, history, and unparalleled wildlife encounters. We've witnessed the Great Migration on the Maasai Mara, stood in awe of mountain gorillas in Bwindi, and explored the ancient wonders of Lalibela. Thank you for joining us on this journey through East Africa's wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Most importantly, visit these amazing places. And tell a friend of your friend to tell their friend to subscribe to the Maximus Traveler. Until next time, kuwa na siku njema mbele. Have a good day ahead.